Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and we have another What's for Dinner. These are really simple fall meals that I created, and this is a shorter video but really good easy recipes. So this first night we had this ground turkey pasta with these new chickpea noodles that I got at Costco, and I highly recommend. They were so good. So I just browned up a pound of ground turkey, and I buy these in Costco in a pack of 4, so I just used one of them. Then I chopped up all these leftover vegetables. This is why I love this, because you can just use up those vegetables in your fridge. So I had onion, green pepper, tomatoes, and mushrooms in there, and then I added a lid and just let that all cook up to make sure that the vegetables were all cooked. I also seasoned with some salt and pepper. Then I used this huge box of chickpea noodles, and these are gluten-free and they were so good. So I made those. They're also higher in protein. And then I added in a tomato sauce as well as this barbecue sauce. It's good for good food. It's healthier. I didn't have enough tomato sauce, so I tried this out and it was so good. So I just mixed that all together in the pan, and then I added cheese. And I used to just add cheese on top of recipes, but now I really like to add it in. So I put that in and then mixed it all together, and it just makes it a lot more creamy. And this was such a good meal. We had lots of leftovers, and it was just like a nice hearty meal on this gloomy day. That was the end result, and this was the day. It was super gloomy, so it was perfect for some pasta. This night we had barbecue chicken sandwiches, and so I diced up some chicken, added it into a sprayed pan, and then just let that cook, and I seasoned it with pepper, salt, the usual, chili powder just to make sure that it tasted good. Then I added some chopped onions, green peppers, and mushrooms into the pan and just let that all cook up together. You could probably make this in a slow cooker as well, and then add some broth in there and let that all cook up, and then it would be ready for when you're ready to eat, but I just did it in the pan. I also added a ton of spinach. Spinach welts down pretty small, so you can add so much in there and it'll all cook down. And then I added some barbecue sauce in with that, as well as some mayo. And this combination I never really thought to put together, but it actually ended up being so good. I didn't put a lot, but you could definitely put as much as you want. And then I just put it on this toasted bun that I accidentally way over toasted, but it was actually so delicious and such a quick, easy meal. And then I just put in the air fryer to melt the cheese a little bit. It was messy, but it was so delicious. And then the last recipe are these buffalo turkey meatballs. I just put a pound of ground turkey in the bowl, and then I added in half a bottle of buffalo sauce, 1 egg, half a cup of almond flour, and then half a pack of ranch seasoning. Then I just put some chili powder, salt, pepper, seasoned it well to add more flavor. Then I mixed it all together, and then I rolled it into little balls, and then I put it in the air fryer. So I put them on for about 20 minutes, and then I flipped them halfway. They didn't stick together as much as I hoped they would, but in the end they were so delicious. So I might try making these into more like a patty and see if that helps, and then cook them on the stovetop. But they were really, really good. A great source of protein. You could pair any side with this. You could do pasta, vegetables, potatoes, whatever you want. I just cooked up some broccoli and again roasted it a little too long, so it was a little burnt, but that was just the side that I wanted this night. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you soon.